Good morning, Cody. How was your weekend this past weekend, huh?
It was good. I
Good.
fell down the stairs though, so I'm kind
You
of
did.
sore today.
What happened?
Well, I was running too fast.
Were you playing with your base 10 blocks?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully everything's okay and it doesn't affect your math skills this week. But Cody, what did we learn about last week in math?
Well, we learned about base 10 blocks, and you showed us what units and longs were.
Yeah. Did we talk about how we learned how to add and replace values and everything, right?
Yeah, we did
Yeah.
talk about
Okay. In front of you, we have a couple different base 10 blocks. I don't want you to touch them yet as I'm talking about it. But the first place value in base 10 blocks is going to be called units. So you might want to write that down on your piece of paper. The second one would be what from last week, what did we learn? The middle part of a place value is.
the tens.
Tens, yep. But in base 10 blocks, they're called longs. So we have to have, how many units do we need to get longs? 10. Good job, Cody. All right, and then the last one, it's the same as what we learned last week with place values. They're the hundreds. So you need how many longs to get 100?
10 of those.
Shot, Kevin. All right. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna give you flashcards, and with every flashcard is a number on them. And I just want you to go over it. I want you to tell me what number this is, and then use your base 10 blocks to show me what they are. All right. So the first one is, what number is that, Fred?
89.
All right. Can you show me 89 with the base 10 block?
Am I allowed to touch them?
You bet, bud. Carrie, can you sit down? I'm working with Fred right here. All right. Now we're gonna want to read them like this way, as it's seen, so it's easier for you to read that. All right. And then with this one, what is that?
That is 341.
Yep. So how many hundreds do we need?
3 of them.
3. Good job.
And 4 tens.
And with base 10, you kind of see what the number looks like in a little format, right? A little more helpful. Alright, perfect. And then this last one, what is that?
216.
Alright, good job, Kevin. Alright, how we're going to use the base 10 blocks to add and subtract is, so say we have 21 plus 18. How would we show that on a base 10 format right now? So we gotta get 21.
21.
Can we substitute, see how many, since you told me earlier that you need 10 units to substitute out a long, right? So let's get, how many units do we have in the ones place value?
We have 9 units.
9 units. So do we need to replace anything? Can we trade out the units for long?
Nope, not until we get one more.
Yep, not yet. All right. How about how many longs do we have?
We have 2 up here and 1 down here. That's about 3.
Yep, that was an awful example by me, huh? We're gonna subtract with the 10 units.
I'm just glad I learned addition too.
Kevin, but
Alright.
we're in for a long haul here. All subtract. So we have 20 minus 8.
20 minus 1, 2.
Now it can be tough with subtracting base 10 because you have 2 longs, but you're gonna have to sub one out and then pick up the units to replace, if that makes sense.
That's true.
Yeah.
So I need one of these, but I gotta replace this.
Yep, so with 10 of
these.
those. It's tough, but we're working.
Perfect number.
Good job. Alright, so what do we end up having? So we canceled that out, so we only have 1 long now, and then we have 10 units, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And then what is 10 units minus 8 units? What's that leave out? Leave you with?
Do I?
Yep, so you just cancel each of them out, and then it's left with
Oh, they
2.
cancel.
You're canceling it out.
Okay.
Alright, so you're end up with 12, right?
Yep.
Alright, good job. Alright, before our worksheet I'm going to hand you out, I think it's important with base 10 blocks to show the order of numbers. So let's go with these flashcards. I'll help you with, let's set them up from least to greatest.
Okay.
And then with a couple of them I'll show you what they look like. So can you arrange them to where they're least to greatest?
Least greatest here.
Yep, good job. Alright, and then what does 216 look like in a base 10 form?
Should be 2 longs.
Nope, 200s.
Oh, one long.
Yep. Then 6 units. Perfect. Nice job, Kevin. And with this worksheet I'm going to hand you out, it has the base 10 blocks on the left side, and then it works with place values. So, I mean, we'll go over the first 2, and then the rest I will assign to have done at the end of the day. So, at first, and you can use your base 10 numbers, or your base 10 blocks to help you if you need to. But there are pictures on there.
4 of those.
Yep, 4.
2 longs.
So you can write down, so once you figure out how many hundreds, you can write down right underneath for you, bud.
Alright, we got 400.
Yep. How many longs do we have in that one?
2. And those are 10.
Yep, those are 10s.
And then 6.
Yep. So
Units?
Yep. So what would that number be?
That would be 126.
No. Remember we have 4 hundreds. So it'd be 426.
426.
Yep. See, that's alright. That way, if we miss one, we can always look back at the picture, count individually. That's what the place values are for.
So each
Alright.
of these are 100.
Yep. Alright, we'll do one more and then I'll set you free, bud. Alright, so how many hundreds do we have here?